Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn with Spy. Today we are see about the packaging and deploying of Java W application. Before applications can be deployed, they must be packaged into jar file or war file or ER files. Deployment is the process that allows the application to work on the desired device. The packaged applications includes deployment descriptors like XML, which gives the information to the application server software. That information includes mapping a URL to the application and connects it to the resources. When a request comes from the client, web server uses a deployment descriptor file to map the URL of client's request to the specific component or module to handle it. A deployment descriptor describes how a component or a module should be deployed. NetBeans allows us to create, package, and deploy Java W applications. It integrates the development environment with the deployment environment. Once we register the application server with the NetBeans IDE, we can easily deploy the applications, make changes, and redeploy them. Okay. First one, we see about the WAR file. WAR stands for Web Archive File. The file which is used for deploying the web components in a JW application is called WAR file. The WAR format is similar to zip file. It has a predefined structure consisting of a root directory, a meta INF to hold HTML pages or files or JSF files. For instance, here a war file named as servlet.war. In this war file, we see the index.html file with the metainf directory. There is a manifest.mf and the webinf. We see the descriptor file, deployment descriptor file. This is called this deployment descriptor file, and the and along with the class files. The next one, jar file. Jar stands for Java Archive File. A jar file contains only Java files and its class files. The enterprise being jar uses meta-inf directory to store the configuration information about the application. For instance, in this example, we see the jar file. In the meta inf, we see the manfish.mf. In the package of JDBC, we see the class file jdbc.class. And the last one, year file, where year stands for Enterprise Archive File. Year file is the combination of both var and jar file with more configuration information. These files are packaged in the web-inf directory of var file and in the meta-inf of jar file. Some JW applications need more configuration. That information is present in special configuration files called deployment descriptor files. These files have the extension of ER file. The additional configuration information will be held in the meta-inf directory. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we see about the JDBC and its architecture.